What's up YouTube, this is Mr. Fresh back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing Oneplus 6T. So let's get into it. So here's the box. Let's go ahead and take a look. So here's the let's see here. Okay, so here's the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and and also I actually went with let me see, what did I go with? So this is the Midnight Black. I went with the Midnight Black 128 gigabyte version, and also this is the 8 gigabyte of RAM. So let's go ahead and get into it here. So let me go ahead and let me actually put this thing over here. I'll turn this on while okay, so I think with the let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so this is your okay. Oh, perfect. It actually comes with the case. Nice. Actually like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, perfect. So these are your usual books. This is your books and stuff here. So I'm just gonna leave those alone at the moment. I'm gonna really do much with the books. Alright, let's see what else we get in the box here. And your usual presentation of your USB Type-C cable, and your and then let's actually take a look. Oh, actually they do. That's right. They actually remove the headphone jack, so they actually give you the connector in here as well. So that's a cool little touch. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and just put that back in here. Put this back in here, and let's go ahead and put all this back. And let's take a look at the phone. So let me just move all this thing out of the way, and then let's take a look at this phone. Let me remove. Let me actually pause this video real quick. Let me put my information in, and so here's the OnePlus 6T. I've got it all set up here, and as you can see, it's so far, I mean, out of the box, pretty smooth. Let's actually take a look at so if you can let me just take this case off so you can see this phone properly. So if you can see here, it's a matte black. So I actually really like this matte black. I do have the red one. If you guys want to see the video of my red OnePlus, then go check it out on my playlist. But I went with this instead of the mirror black. I went with the matte black, and this is kind of nice. I really like it. It has that nice little shine to it, but it's not as a fingerprint magnet as the other one. And I like this this teardrop kind of thing. I think it's not as, it doesn't look as bad as the notch. But yeah, so far actually fairly snappy. Let me go ahead and let's take a look at the there's actually already update waiting for me here as we're doing this review. And let me go ahead and go to the system, and let's take a look at this. Let's see, what are we looking at? Display. There's a notch here. I'll go ahead and turn this to a dark theme, because that's what I usually do on most of my phone. So here's the dark theme. Let's see, what else do we need to do here? Adaptive display. And then let's go button and gesture, navigation gesture, and I'll go ahead and do the navigation gesture. So these are the navigation gestures. So it will get rid of the other the bars. But here's the phone. So I think the biggest difference I see right out the box is the so the specs are Specs are same from the OnePlus 6. The only difference is this one has a bigger battery. The OnePlus 6 had 3400 milliamp. This one has 37 milliamp. Also the notch. If you see the notch is that's the big difference here. But what I'll do is just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing video. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and play around with this for a week or so, and then I'll let you know what I think, or whether you guys should upgrade to this one or wait for the next year. As far as right out the box, I see it does actually looks nicer than the one, you know, the phone with the, you know, the big notch. That's for sure. I mean, I'm definitely liking this. It does feel also, I think it's a little bit shorter than my my Note 9, but I think the screen, as far as screen wise, I mean the screen is almost same. So this one is also from the OnePlus 6. This is also a bigger screen than the OnePlus 6. So those are the couple of things I wanted to just point it out to you guys in here. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this. I'll go ahead and play around with this for a few days, and I'll let you know what I think. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day.